Here we have for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate. This is our Ford Transit Custom. This has got the this is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine, producing 136 PS, roughly 136 brake horsepower. And this is an L1 or short wheelbase limited power van, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. It's got the 6-speed manual gearbox. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll talk you through all of the enhancements that we've done to it during our preparation, what we've done to it mechanically as well during our preparation in our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. Have a really close look at the condition of this van, seeing as it is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the van, we can see that this one is specced with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, of course, you get a number of elements which come colour-coded, which includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirror caps, all come colour-coded in the body colour, which in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Speaking of the door handles, you'll see these little dimples on the door handles, and part of the spec on a limited Transit Custom of this age is you get keyless entry and keyless start. So with the key in your pocket, you can walk up to the door, put your hand behind the door like that, and it will open for you, or it'll unlock for you, I should say. And then once you're done with it, you can walk away, press the little dimple just there, and it will lock the van. And then when you're inside the van, foot on the brake and the clutch, and you can press the start button, and you're away to go. So it's, yeah, day to day, it feels like a much more modern van than the previous shape Transit Custom with little touches like that. We've made some enhancements to this van, as you'd probably immediately see, but at the back here you can see the gloss black rear spoiler that has been added, and then down towards the bottom then this little lower gloss black rear diffuser which has been added there as well. And that little rear diffuser is part of a full gloss black low line kit is what we call it, which includes things like the side skirts and also the front splitter as well, which are all matching in the gloss black. You also get rear parking sensors, you can see they're nicely integrated into the rear bumper. And then you can see there a reversing camera comes as standard on the limited model. In terms of condition here, it's looking absolutely lovely at the back of the van, as the whole van is. Being completely honest, we had 4 of these come into us as a batch. The first one that was advertised sold the next day. So I think these are going to prove very, very popular. And I really think you can see why they look very, very nice, as they're a very modern van with the specification. You've got manufacturer's warranty left on it, and the price that we've advertised these at with the full styling, I think, is very appealing indeed. But yeah, in terms of condition here, looking very, very nice indeed. If we open up the rear doors then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So these rear doors are on a 2-stage hinge. So you'll see there, it sort of locks into place there like that at this 90-degree setting, and then give it a bit of a push, and then you can open it right out to its full 180-degree position. You can see in the back of the van then we have reply lined the whole inside of the rear of the van. So we do this in the vast majority of panel vans which come into stock with us. We strip out the old ply lining, fit brand new ply lining in here. The ply liner, as you can see, does a fantastic job. They silicone in around the wheel boxes here. They do full rear door coverage at the back as well. Gives a really, really great finish. LED load lighting in the back, and there's also this extra little switch just here on the new shapes which allows you to control these 2 rear lights as well. This is the correct placement of the toolkit, but yeah, absolutely stunning condition inside there. The bulkhead is all in lovely order as well. Nice hard wearing plastic flooring with some tie down points dotted around the outside of the van. Having a look at these exposed painted areas, you can just see how clean and tidy that is. Pretty much faultless in there, if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, in terms of condition here, there's not really much to fault. There's 2 very, very light marks. There's one just there and one just there, and I will see if they can be improved, because I think they will come out actually, but yeah, I mean, you can't see them from here, but it's only if you really get close to those that you'll be able to see them. Down the passenger side then, you can just see how clean and straight this is, looking absolutely lovely there down that passenger side. There's really nothing I can fault there. That is looking absolutely lovely. No issues at all. So styling down the sides then, so we have added a set of roof bars, as I mentioned, those nice gloss black side skirts, and then these fantastic Riviera 20-inch alloy wheels. Love the design on these. These are a flow formed alloy wheel, so very strong alloy wheel, fully load rated of course for the van, with load rated tyres as well. But I think the design on those look absolutely lovely when you can complement that with the rest of the styling on here as well. I'll come around to that in just a second, but I just want to show you first, if I open up the side loading door, have a look inside here from this angle there. So it just gives you a look. Sorry, I got this little dot on the, I was doing my head in, a little dot there on the lens. But yeah, having a look inside here, looking at the floor, the step, the ply lining from this side, and also the bulkhead from there, all looking very, very nice indeed. If I open up the passenger door, gives you a first look here inside the cab as well, all looking very nice there. Same with the step, floor, seats from this angle, all very, very nice. And you've got the fold down little work tray there, somewhere to store some extra paperwork. And of course you can still store items here underneath the passenger seats. As always, our guys just go to absolutely incredible lengths when it comes to detailing these vans. Absolutely as clean under here as you'll find anywhere else. Of course, as always, we always include an extra wheel brace under there as well. The reason for that is that the aftermarket wheels that we fit, the wheel nuts, will be a different size from the wheel brace which is supplied with the vehicle. Round to the front then, a few changes here then. So nice gloss black front grille, which I think makes a huge difference to the front of the van. These gloss black canards here at the very front there, and also the lower front splitter as well. And I think all in all, when you combine that, it's an absolutely lovely looking thing. I think it works very, very well. Got these nice headlights here, the new Ford LED headlights, much better headlight than on the previous model. Get those nice LED daytime running lights as well. Having a look at the bonnet, there's really barely anything to fault. You can get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, which is of course to be expected, but yeah, it's looking absolutely stunning. Is there a little mark there? No. There's a tiny little mark there potentially, but yeah, there's really not much to fault on this. I'm really trying to, I'm picking holes really. There's not, yeah, you can just see how clean and lovely that is looking there. Very, very smart indeed. So let's have a look inside the cab, show you some of the spec inside here. Of course, this one being registered March 2024, you have got the balance of Ford manufacturer's warranty on this van until March 2027. So starting the van up there, as I mentioned, just foot on the clutch and the brake, press the start button there. The van is of course supplied with 2 full remote keys. You've got this nice digital dashboard here in front of you, which you get on the Limited now. So 11,689 miles. You can see there, it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. But a big change is this much larger screen here in the center, which I personally love. The main reason for that is that you now get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto completely as standard on this screen, which for me, using the van like this, I've got one of these myself, which I'm using at the moment, and I think using that day to day, just being able to jump in and you've got that straight on the screen with your phone in your pocket, I think is a big difference. You've got all your spec is laid out along the bottom here. So you've got things like your heated seats, which you can toggle the intensity of. You've got your temperature control, your heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning can all be toggled there on the screen. Underneath that then you've got some mode settings and some driver assistance settings as well, and also your electric handbrake there also, which to be honest you don't really think of that much, because as soon as you put your seatbelt on, you take up drive, that disengages automatically anyway. 6-speed manual gearbox to go along that 136 brake horsepower diesel engine, and underneath here you've got a normal USB and a USB-C and a 12-volt socket just there as well. Driver's armrest, which is on a ratchet, so you can set that to your desired height, and then on the nice new steering wheel, which I really like this. I think it feels very nice and modern to drive. Really lovely light steering wheel, which again I think is very nice to drive. On the left hand side then you've got your cruise control settings, and on the right hand side you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. You can see you've got a lane keeping system in there, which you can turn off if you want to, but yeah, very nice to drive these vans, it must be said. So if we jump out then, we'll just have a quick summary of the van. We have got some wind deflectors on the front windows as well, but yeah, just a quick summary. 2024, so it's registered March 2024 on a 24 plate, so manufacturer's warranty until March 2027, so plenty of time left on that. We have been right through it in our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. We have conducted a full service on the van, so it's first service that it would have had, but we have gone right through it, changed all of the filters, so the van is absolutely ready to go. And as I say, you can enjoy it with the balance of that remaining manufacturer's warranty as well for your peace of mind. Full styling kit, which of course we have added, which includes the gloss black front grille, the canards, the front splitter, side skirts, roof bars, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and of course those 20-inch alloy wheels. Brand new ply lining in the back, fully detailed. The van is, as I say, ready to go. It's looking absolutely gorgeous here. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether it be for limited companies or for private individuals, of course subject to status and acceptance. And we can also deliver our vans nationwide as well, so by all means get in contact if you'd like a quote for delivery. If you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the other lovely vans that we've currently got advertised as well. Thank you very much for watching.